No, me kill myself. My name start through it.
Hi cousins, welcome back to my channel. As you can see down the title, today's video is me showing you guys an easy way to install those lace wigs, right guys? So if you're interested in anything I've just said, just keep on watching. Yes, so as you see guys, I'm reinstalling that wig that I bought from the depot hair store of AliExpress. And let me tell you guys, I really love this wig. When I say I love this wig, I love this wig. So what you see me doing right now is just taking out the hair out of my way, so whenever I apply the glue, it doesn't get all messy. I like to take my gotta be spray first before I apply my lace glue, because I think it holds the hair better, the wig better. So I always go in first with the gotta be spray. If I don't have the gotta be spray, I don't feel good, so I always go in first with the gotta be spray. So now I'm just going with some bow hold cream. I think it's a bow hold cream. Yes, so I'm going to do 3 layers of that, and whenever it gets clear, I'm just gonna apply my wig. Let me tell you about this wig guys, it's a very cheap. At the time I purchased this wig, I think I pay I don't remember what, I don't pay a lot of money. I think I bought it for about I will leave it down in the description, but guys, when I said it's pretty much inexpensive. Yes, and this ear you can wear it around, like if you want a hair to wear for your everyday wig, yeah, you can get this ear. It's pretty much inexpensive, and it's look good, and it's very easy to handle. So it's a must-have wig guys. I'm gonna leave the link down in the description box, so you guys can go over there and order your wig. Yes, so now I'm just applying the wig onto the glue and just using my blow dryer and my tail comb to just get it melt into the skin. As you can see guys, this wig is a T-part. No, it's not a T-part, it's a 13x1 kinky curl wig. Let me tell you, I didn't pluck it because a 13x1 lace wig, you get less lace to work with, so I don't pluck it because due to the fact that you get less lace, and you know sometimes when you pluck the hair, you know it take away the hair from the hairline. So because me have less with lace, but nobody really want to do that. For go getting a bald spot, and then me probably have to go cut it off and stuff like that, so I leave it. But it's a must have. If I did pluck the hair, it would have come out more cuter, but I just put it on just the way I get it. So you see me doing guys, I just lay that elastic band around my head just to hold down the wig so it can firmly melt. All I'm doing now is just brushing out the wig because it's a bit tangled right now. Remember I tell you guys, I already installed this wig, so you know, say after I wash on, so it kind of tangle up and stuff like that. Yeah, so all I'm doing now guys is just parting out my baby hair. And guys, let me tell you, I can't do baby hair to save my life, so don't crucify me. And don't come in my comments, come stop on my baby hair, please. Yeah, so all I'm doing right now is just applying some mousse onto the hair because the mousse keep the curl tight. Yes, so even if you wet it with water and the mousse in the you apply the mousse, it's not gonna get dry out. So the mousse kind of give it moist and give it life even when it's dry. Yes, so now I'm just applying some water to wet it up and get the curl more come alive. Look at that curl. Don't look on the curl. Look, see that nice? No, look now. Look on curl. Only need for getting a wig. Look how smooth the wig look. Look how it just soft. Let me tell you, it's a must-have wig. It's a very affordable, guys. You need to go and get it. Okay? Yes. So all I'm doing right now is using some mousse to just apply. Try to make my baby hair because I can't make it. So I'm just try a look good thing. So right now I'm trying to style the wig because I don't like it. I don't like a C-part wig. I don't like it to centered or anything like that. So I'm trying to, I always like to see the half down and half up style. So I'm trying to see if it would fit me. And let me tell you, I love it. I love how it come out and everything. Only thing I'm sorry about is that I'd never pull up the hair, but it's fine. It come out so good, guys. It come out really nice. Look at the curl. Look at the quality of the hair, and remember, I don't put nothing in it but the mousse and water. And just look at those curls. No, look there. Look on curl. Ah, look there, nice. No, me I feel myself with that area, you know.
See you guys in my next video. Bye.
Give me more.